Hello, welcome. Rene here from Ideal Homes. Today we're in a very beautiful and well-established condominium called Pine Hills. Pine Hills is in Vilamoura, and this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment that we'll be presenting to you today. Good for rental investment, or if you're looking to relocate to Portugal, as you can live here or you can rent it out depending on what your needs are. This is going to suit you. This is a 2-bedroom apartment on the market at 550. Fully furnished, and we're going to take you around just to show you the apartment. On site, you have a pool, you have a gym, you have a wellness or treatment room, you have the kids pool, and there's also underground parking allocated to each apartment. And next to your parking, you have your storage room. So we're going to take you around the apartment now, just so you have a look. That's the hallway, which leads you to the bedrooms, 2 bedrooms as I earlier mentioned. The dining area, beautiful. Lots of lighting, as you can see, bright colors. I really love it. When I came in here this morning, I was like, wow, if I had the money, I was going to get this for myself. Nice, beautiful apartment. Fully fitted kitchen, lots and plenty of storage, induction cooker, and you have a washing machine. So here's your dishwasher. It's right there. More storage at the top. You have your oven, you have your microwave, you have the refrigerator right here, and there's a little freezer underneath it. And now we take you to the living room area. This is the living area, decent size, very comfortable, nice and cozy. It's bright, as I said before, lots of natural lighting coming in. You have the aircon, it's hot and cold air. You have the fireplace right there. And yeah, you have a little service area, which is right here. And Lindsay is right over there. She's gonna serve us some coffee.
Hello guys, so your coffee is already ready, sir. There you go.
Thank you very much. Wow, that's good. I didn't have coffee this morning. So now we'll take you to the terrace, which is south facing, and we'll show you all around the terrace and the surrounding areas. Let's go. Okay, now we're at the terrace. As you can see, I needed to get my shades because it's really sunny. That's the Algarve for you. South-facing terrace, so you have the sun here all day, and you have nothing obstructing the sun from reaching you. It's all clear in front of you. All you have is the green, and you have distant sea views. There's a blue line from a distance, so you have to see from a distance. And also you have views to the pool area, and the sun is going to rise from the east from that way, and the sun is going to set in the west from this way. So you're sure that you have the sun on your terrace all day, which is also very nice if you like the sun, and that's why most people come to the Algarve for the sun. Also, this is a terrace which leads to the bedrooms. So the terrace we just saw leads you to the living area, and this terrace here leads you to the bedrooms. So this is the guest bedroom. This terrace is going to lead you to the guest bedroom, and this side is going to lead you to the master bedroom. Also south facing and sun all day here. So it's lovely and really nice. You have the views, lovely views, nature, green, lots of green. And what else can you ask for? Okay, we're back inside. You've seen the terrace, and now we're back inside again. So this is just as you come in, you have the guest bathroom right here. Decent size for your guests. And also you have the boiler right here for hot water, and also some space if you want for storage, like cleaning appliances and things like that. Going through the hallway, you have the washing area where you have the washing machine. This is like your laundry room. So you have the washing machine in here, fitted and good size. And we go through the hallway. Here is the guest room. So I'll take you in. Nice size, you can see. You can actually put this together, you know, if you want to turn it into a queen size bed or something like that, you can put this bed together. And this leads you to the terrace that we've seen earlier. It's a good size for your guests, and built-in wardrobes, fitted wardrobes, as you can see. And now we're going to take you to the master bedroom and show you the bathrooms. Come with me. Okay, now we're going to the master's bedroom, and just as you walk in, you have a fitted wardrobe, built-in wardrobe, decent size mattress, and you have, this leads you to the terrace that we saw earlier, south facing. And so you have the views from your bedroom. You can actually see outside, and you don't have any neighbors, so the views is actually clear and very nice and private. And also you have fitted wardrobes here. Huge wardrobes. There's plenty of storage. So you saw the wardrobe at the entrance, and you have another one right here. Now we go to the bathroom area. So this is the bathroom. You have a bathtub, and just right there, this used to be blocked, but then the current owner decided to break the wall down just to make it one, so you can have the bathtub and the walk-in shower. So normally that's the bathroom for the guest bedroom, but then you can always block this if you want to, or if you want to stay this way, you can also leave it this way. Hi guys, now we're at the pool area. You've seen the apartment, you've seen everything about the apartment. Now this is the pool area. This is where you come in all day to relax. You can see how very sunny it is. You can see for yourself, decent pool, nice size. You have a pool bar right there, so you can actually sit here and have drinks, juice. You can have the kids here over as well. You have a kids pool as well. So if you want to get more information on this, contact us at Ideal Homes. You have our email on the screen, and you have our telephone number. We're in the office waiting for your phone calls and your emails. Thank you very much.
Hi guys, my name is Lindsay. I'm working for Ideal Homes in Portugal, and here today we're going to show you this lovely 2-bedroom property. So this is the entrance hallway, and if you would like to come in here, this is the living room. Okay, so as you can see, it's the living room that leads out onto the balcony. This property is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom property. It's priced at $320,000, and it's 101 meters squared. Proximity is right in Vilamoura, so we're 900 meters from the Vilamoura Marina, and we're also just a 10-minute walk to the beach, so you can directly walk from here. And also there's a little bus hopper that leaves every day for free that you can use. And I think downstairs there's a communal area with a pool as well. Okay, so if you would like to go through to the kitchen, we'll join you there. Okay, so this is the kitchen, and as you can see, it's a nice and bright area that also leads onto the balcony. The balcony is all the way down the property and is west facing. The kitchen appliances will include your fridge freezer, your dishwasher and your washing machine. The property is fully furnished, other than obviously personal belongings. Everything else is furnished and will be sold that way. Okay guys, so we're back into the hallway. This door behind me is the main entrance, so as you would come down the hallway, that was the living room. This was obviously just the kitchen where we came from. On this side you would find the study, office. This is the first bedroom, guest bedroom, which we will go back to later. And then on this side is the bathroom that you can use for guests. And then lastly, we will make it into the larger bedroom, which is obviously the master bedroom. In here we have the bathroom, which has also got the bathtub included. So as we come through, we've got plenty of storage also in here. and direct exit right onto the balcony out here. This is the guest bedroom, so it is a double bed, as you can see. We've got the TV and music area, and also access straight out onto the balcony here. And just over this side is all the wardrobe, so there's plenty of storage. The property is a full turnkey solution, so if you would like to buy a property for investment, then you could rent this out great all year round, for holidaymakers and also for the golfers. Okay, so here we are on the balcony. Look at the lovely blue skies. This is the master bedroom with access onto the balcony, as we showed you before. This is the guest bedroom that also has the access to the balcony. This one is the kitchen. So you'll have this balcony goes all the way down. It's west facing, so you can enjoy the afternoons. And then just behind us is an outside barbecue for the alfresco living. So if you're interested in this, guys, as we said, it's 320,000. It's in Vilamoura. It's a T2, 2-bathroom. And if you're interested, please get in touch with us. As you can see, the email below at Ideal Homes, and the telephone number is also there. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hi, for anybody who doesn't know me, I'm Angela. I work for Ideal Homes, and Ideal Homes is a real estate company, and we do lots and lots of things to promote things, and one of them is IHTV. It's a YouTube channel where we are on TV showing you people's journeys and what we do here in the Algarve. So now we're going to take that one step further, and in October we're going to film for UK TV. So what we're looking for right now is people like you that's looking for a property here in the Algarve and they want to share their journey. So please get in touch. We just need you for a couple of days in October. It's fun, we have a lot of fun, and we'll share your journey with you. So please get in touch, and can't wait to meet you.